This is Joe Hill from DoneRight Management. I am at the TuckAway cabin. We are going to do a quick tutorial on the television that's here. This is a ChromeCast TV, and a little bit different than something I've used. And if you're not familiar with this, the power button is on the top right, and then switching from the different inputs is on the top left. And the way that this television works is it's HDMI 4. There's also a little sheet right here that has that information on it. The DVD's input is the AV, and then TV is the local channels using this HDMI satellite box. Now, you have Amazon, so if you have either Netflix or Amazon accounts, you can go ahead and click on those, and it'll actually transition so that you can log in to either your Amazon account, and that's this one here, or as I just pushed the Netflix, it'll go to your Netflix account. Then you can put your details in, or you have the MGO, which I'm not sure, to be honest, what that stands for. So maybe movies to go, perhaps? Probably so. So as we transition and switch through the inputs, TV is set to television, so the HDMI, and then AV is set for the movie, for the DVD player. So if you've got any further questions, you can reach out to us. My name is Joe Hill. The number for the office is 208-634-0030. Cheers.